So in this review, I want to talk to you about TravelMojo. Now, this is by GHOSAL and FLAIR, who are Team Black Belt, and is due to be released on the 15th of October at 10 AM Eastern. Now, apparently this is going to allow you to build affiliate travel websites in 45 seconds. You're completely free autopilot traffic. Your site's ready in minutes, nothing to install, all very easy, and 12 beta testers have already started making $50,000 with this site. So we are going to jump inside, we'll have a look around and show you exactly what this is going to give you. And then we'll jump back to the sales page and we'll talk a little bit more about this method overall. Hey guys, Richard here. So just wanted to give you a very quick recommendation. Now, if you want to start making money online and you want to figure out how to generate lots and lots of free traffic, I got a great recommendation for you, which you can literally pick up for the price of a pizza, guys. What I want you to do is jump down to the bottom of this video and you'll see this link here. Just go ahead and click on that link and you'll come over to this page here. Fill in your name, your email address, and click the consent here, and then you go ahead and you can get started with this product, which literally is the way that I started out online, guys. This is a very simple way for generating traffic. It's super easy to set up. There's 50 done for you niches included in here to get you started very quickly. So guys, if you're interested and you want to start building a business online, this is literally the price of a pizza. Go ahead and check out the simple traffic blueprint. Thanks for listening, guys. Let's get back to the review. Guys, let's jump straight into the admin site. Now, what you have here is a website that you're going to build that looks like this. Now, this is a little bit messy, but you can pretty much edit everything on this website, and it's just based around the travel niche. What they've done here is they've found a website template that is related to travel, and then they're going to sell you that as the easy way to make money. Now, one thing I did notice on here, there's a few settings I think are very critical when you're going to be building sites like this, especially things like privacy notices, etc. I can't see a way to add them, but basically this is the main idea for this. Now, somebody's already been in here and started changing images around, but you could have a travel related image here. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of free alternatives to this if you wanted to go down this route, but just to tell you, this is the main type of website. Now, the free traffic appears to be coming from these icons here: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Of course, this is free traffic if you've got people over on those platforms that actually follow you and are interested in your content you're producing over on those platforms. If you're completely new to affiliate marketing, you need to have people on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest that are actually interested in your content for you to get any kind of traffic back to a website. If you haven't, then you're not going to get any traffic anywhere because it's not going to rank organically on Google. This is not the type of site that would ever rank organically. For a start, there's masses of competition in the travel industry. You're not putting any kind of real valuable content on this site at the moment. Now, apparently this is updating automatically. I can't see the way that is automatically updated. I can't see any feeds into it, but that's what they're saying on the actual sales page. Now, if you come back, what you have here is the actual dashboard here, and you can see there's all these numbers around categories, total news, total destinations, etc. You have a bunch of settings here for your site, so you can add a favicon, general content, email settings. Now, this is actually allowing you to email directly from the site, not something I would recommend because everything's going to go through the spam folder. You need to use something like GetResponse, some credible autoresponder service if you want to start emailing people. That's my view, guys. That's the only way that you're ever going to get success, in my view. There is some pages here. You can add pages, you can have about, frequently asked questions, testimonials, news, contact, search, terms, privacy. So there is ways to add terms of privacy and fairness, destination and team, and you can add those various pages. You have some kind of traveler list here, so people are going to actually come and log into your website apparently and put their details down. You have destinations here that you can add, so you can add all the different destinations with images. These images aren't that nice. They're just throwing this together. It's all very cheap and nasty, isn't it? And then you have some packages here. Now, there isn't actually any information on here about how you'd get paid for any of this stuff. Now, if I view the details here, you can see the details of the packages, but I can't see a way that I can add an affiliate link to this to actually get paid, and there's no training at all. One thing I have noticed on this version, guys, every time I try and click backwards, the site crashes in some way, which isn't good. The one big thing with using sites like this is they're not actually your sites. They're subdomains of the site that they're selling you, and they're going to sell thousands of other people. If they're unstable, or if they turn this off, your business is completely gone if you start investing lots of time and money in making this site. Now, this is just a couple of examples of what I've seen so far. This, and I had a database error. This is literally just clicking around the site to see what's going on with the various parts of the site. So if it's not very stable, I would keep well away from it. You have a news feed here. Again, there's no training on how to use this news feed. You have a subscriber count here, so you're keeping people's data in here, so you better have a good data privacy policy attached to this site, because you're going to start emailing subscribers and keeping their data. In Europe and in the US, there's very strict laws around what you can do with people's data. There's some team members here you can just add. These are all the usual type of images these guys use. All of these vendors use AI images these days. None of these are real people. You have a slider here, which is that top section. You can see someone's adding a random OTO image there. You have some testimonials here. You can make up some testimonials, which is great for vendors like this because they make up testimonials all the time. You have some clients here. Again, same pictures. And then you have a service here. Now again, I'm going to go back to this package. I can't, again, see anywhere to add an affiliate link. I'm hoping there is something on here. Itinerary price. I can't see how you're linking back to the actual site. There must be somewhere on here that I'm missing that you can link back to the original site of these holidays. Because obviously you need to link to credible sites to book these holidays in the first place. I'm honestly, guys, can't see how you can do that. You can add your social medias here. Again, this is their free traffic. Again, I'm doing this live, guys. You can see what happens here. This goes completely blank yet again as I'm just clicking around. So I'm not impressed. You know, there's lots of better versions of sites like these that you can build if you're really interested in the travel niche. Now, again, what you can do is come up here and go to sites like Eliminator Blog. And all I did is to very, very quickly look for a travel template. And you can see there's a lovely travel template here. You can get started completely for free with Eliminator and download this template. Really, really nice. And then Get Response uses an autoresponder and allows you to build a website. Free for up to 500 subscribers. They also have this template here. I looked at this very quickly. And again, this is a travel related template that you can start using to build a site. Totally for free, guys, for you to get started if you wanted to use this to build a business in this niche. But one big thing they are missing here, and they do make that claim on the front page that people are actually making money with this, is how are you as a complete beginner going to make any money with this? I get it. You're going to join multiple affiliate programs on these different travel sites, so they recommend through blogging different ways to actually go ahead and travel to them. That's the way that you should do this, and that's the way that brings value to people. They might be interested in what you have to say. What you don't do is just throw a random site up like this and just throw a link out to your Facebook account and hope that somebody's going to come along and click. It's just not a proper method, guys. So as I come back to the actual sales page, if I look down to the sales page, what this is a complete copy of their sales page for a product called TravelMojo. And I just look through the various testimonials on here. Basically, the user, and this isn't a completely AI image, is Chris Ellis. This person does not exist. If I look at stock image as well, it's the same three graphics. All they've done is changed a bit of the writing, and their testimonials of people that are making lots of money in this. Usual thing, guys. It's just not true. Basically, they're just making up testimonials to get you to come along and buy this quite cheap site that isn't going to get any traffic, and I'm afraid isn't going to make you any money. Now, there obviously is a way to make money in the travel industry. If you want to build a business, creating value for people, and being an affiliate marketer for some of these big companies, there is a way to make money online. As I said, the products I recommended earlier in this review, the Simple Traffic Blueprint, will teach you exactly how to do that, how to get a very, very specific niche like this and actually make money with it. That's what the whole product's about. But this, I'm afraid, is not going to be that good. And let's jump over to the OTOs. I won't take you through the OTOs just for your information. I will leave it in the description below if you're really interested to see what OTOs are on this. You have the front end, which is $17. You have this one-click affiliate site. Again, your site's ready in minutes. Nothing to install, 100% cloud-based. I really hope it's way more stable than this version I've got. 12 beta testers are already making $50,000 with it. Nobody's actually shown you any of that. There's no training. There's nothing that shows you that. And the demo doesn't tell you anything. It just tells you what the different buttons are doing. It doesn't actually show you anything. The unlimited version is $37. Done for you campaigns, I presume that is. It says DYF. That's $47. There's a automation edition apparently for $27. Six-figure training, completely random OTO, nothing to do with this product, $97. And then the enterprise version, you can resell this crappy website to other people who can get it for free for $297. And then there's a version here for $67. Unlimited real backlinks and free buyer traffic. Don't believe that, guys. If they can get unlimited free buyer traffic, then why would they ever need an affiliate to try and sell what is a very, very low quality product? They just get all the traffic themselves. So, guys, that's my review of this. Hope that brings you value. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in these types of reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell. Until next time, take care.